Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and look, I have packages on my counter. I'm living the life of feast or famine, right? Yeah, I've been having some famine, and today it's time to feast. There's actually supposed to be one more package here. One more that should come like this is supposed to be here, and it was not in my mailbox. So I have to unbox these and figure out which one this is, so then I can go call the post office and say, hey, what happened to the other one? It says it's been delivered. It wasn't delivered. But we're going to get into these. I think I'm going to start with this one so that I can call the post office before they close. So let's get into this. Let's move these out of the way, and we'll get to these in a little bit. All right? You'll see them later. This is the one I want to know what it is so I can figure out what I didn't get. These were AliExpress orders I ordered at the beginning of March. Yep, early March I ordered these. So it is now April 22nd. As we know, things are taking a long time to get here. I think there's two in here. They're both going to be small. I did them small on purpose. And there's that, and there's that. Ooh, there's more stuff coming out. There's that, and toolkits, and I think that's it. There we go. Yep, 2 small paintings is what I ordered, okay? So, ooh, this is nice. This is a nice little toolkit. Okay, there's 2 of them because there's 2 paintings. I've gotten stuff like this before. Okay, let's show you what's in this toolkit. It's different. Kind of cute. So, what do we get? We get the white boat. I've learned this, the Mosfa boat. Some baggies. We get pink wax. We have a multi-placer. And we have a single placer with this pen that has these 2 squishies on it. Yeah, they come apart. They're on there pretty tight, which is nice. There's 2 squishies on that, and you have a multi-placer and a single placer. Pretty cool. Little pair of bent nose tweezers if you want to use tweezers. Okay, that's the toolkit, and there's 2 of them because I got 2 paintings, right? 2. Okay. I have gotten these before. I actually took these to school. Oh, this is what? Labels, I bet. Yep, this is labels. Cool. Couple sheets of labels. Nice. I can always use labels, right? I've been working on my drill storage the last day or so, trying to get it organized. Okay. These are little itty bitty little diamond paintings. So let's see. I'll show you. Now, I think you have to choose the side you want to do. You can't do both because this is your sticky. Okay, this is the sticky. It's just a clear sheet. You put it over your picture. Like this is Santa Claus. So you would put your sticky right on Santa Claus, kind of like you do with Wizardy Arts, right? You put it on there, line it up. There's your sticky, okay? So you can only really do one side or the other. You have to choose. Unless you have some more sticky tape somewhere, you could put on the other side. But there's a couple pictures there, and I like that they're both different. I'm not going to mess with that right now. There's a cat. Looks like that's a cat and a moon. Yeah, that's a cat and a moon. And the other side is, I don't know what the other side is. Oh, now I can see it. When I look in the camera, it's a bird. Right? And this is a beak. When I looked at it at first, I couldn't see it, but I looked in the camera and I could tell. So little cute things you could do. Okay, let's put the drills aside for now. We'll get into those in a minute. Let's look at these. Now these have these little, some people would call them rubber bands. They're really not rubber bands. They're just like these little pieces of plastic. You'd think I could get them off. Let's just do it this way. They're not really rubber bands. They're little plastic strings, kind of, I call them. You see that these are both on foam roller, and they're on here together. They're both small. Okay, so This is the one. These are the paintings that sat in Chicago for a month. Yep, they were in Chicago for a month. So yeah, I'm excited to have these. I am excited that they finally made it here. A month in Chicago. Oh boy. Uh-huh. All right. They're both small. This one's 25 by 20. And I'm just going to take this paper off before I even unroll it. I'm just gonna, sure I am, if I can get it to come off without taking off the tape. Because this is clearly double-sided tape, okay? There we go, tape's on. I find that if it's possible to leave it rolled up like this and peel the paper back slowly and unroll it at the same time, you have less room for creating any bubbles. You just peel and pull at the same time. Now this one has words on it. And in this small size, I gotta say, I was a little concerned if the words would show up. We'll find out in a second. It's all upside down for you right now, but we'll get it. Okay? All right. So, what do we got? Can you see it? I'm not focusing on it right now. I'm trying to get this to lay down here. You know what, you guys? This canvas looks perfect. It's perfect. There's not, I don't think there's a bubble, a wrinkle, a river, or nothing in it. Isn't that amazing? Spend an entire month in Chicago, tossed around in customs, whatever's happening to you in customs, and you come to me looking like this? Okay, all right, I can deal with that. It's a 25 by 20, all right? Oh, God, wow. What's it say? It says welcome. So I think it's supposed to say to, but I don't know where you see the to at. Welcome to the ranch. Welcome ranch. I can see welcome. I can see ranch. I guess we'll have to put drills on to tell more, right? Pair of cowboy boots and a horseshoe. His horseshoe should be the other way around though, because when you do the horseshoe upside down, your luck falls out. Or is that your cowboy hat? I think it's both. You're supposed to leave them right side up to hold your luck. Anyhow, it's super cute, right? Super cute. Let's look at the drill field. Okay. It's pretty confetti heavy for this small little thing. And here's our symbols over here. I don't know how many there are, but there's, I'm going to guess 20. We'll see when we open it up. Okay. Super cute, you guys. Super, super cute. Now, is it a true 25 by 20? That is the question. Ooh, where's my tool? My handy dandy tool from Cheryl. Yes, need that, right? Boom, look at that. I love this little thing. Works so good. All right, let me find the drills that go with that one. I'll show you the inventory sheet. Because there was an inventory sheet in here, I already saw that. Store name right now? I don't know. Like I said, when I opened this, I wasn't even sure which one it was. So, has 27 colors. Oh, it has more than 20. Okay, so over here beside ranch is supposed to be to and the. I don't know if those are going to show up. But it's got a brand. These fancy cowboy boots with the fence. Pretty cool. It's all been checked off here. This is one thing I like about AliExpress. Most companies give you an inventory sheet. They show you the symbols, the DMC code, what you should get, how many bags. It's been checked. Yeah. And you know what? Even though that ranch, those words right there look black, they're not. There's no 310s. It's going to be probably a dark brown, chocolate maybe. All right, 27 colors. You know, I will inventory that even though they've been checked. Ooh, I like these drills. I like these drills. I got something the other day. Who did I get something the other day from? But with the blue lettering or numbering on them, I like the blue. It shows up really good. Okay, I mean, these are all fairly light, but still, I mean, look at the tans. It's going to be a lot of tans. Here's a pretty dusty purple color. See if you can see them. Darker. A lot of tan colors. Because we got that tan bench, or not bench, the tan fence, brown boots. That's a gray purple. That's a purpley gray. Lots of browns, lots of tans. Well, there you go. Another purpley brown color. That's our color palette right there. Nothing too bright, nothing, you know. I knew that, right? This is going to be for my daughter, okay? I might do it. I might give it to the girls and they can do it. We'll see. But this one I definitely got with them in mind because they're the horsey ranch, okay? All right, so there's that one. I like it. It looks good. Oh, I was going to do one thing. I got it out and ready to go and everything, you guys. I'm going to measure it. Yeah, we're going to measure. Is it 20 by 25? Let's see. Hey, there's a fly. Seriously? You got flies already? 25. 25. On the nose. 20. It's true to size. So I'm not going to measure the next one because if this one's true to size, that one will be true to size, right? Okay. These kind of go together. You'll see what I mean in a second. Well, they don't. They kind of go together. Yeah. This one's super cute. I looked at this one for a long time. It's also a 20 by 25. I'm just trying to peel this paper so like I can do the whole thing at once again and unroll, flatten, peel all at the same time. Avoid those rivers. Don't create any. Just teasing it here to get it undone. Okay. All right. I'll try to lay this one the right way. If I go like this, it will lay down the right way. Okay. Again, you guys, the canvases look perfect. I mean, look. They're in such great shape. I'm just overwhelmed by what condition these have come in after they've made it from China, set in Chicago for a month, and they still look this good. I'm impressed. I'm just impressed. Okay. Let's lay it down and we'll peel her back. This is so stinking cute. I'm doing this one. The girls don't get to do this one. It's so cute. There's a whole bunch of little animals like this in this kind of style. So cute. Oh my gosh. There's like teddy bears and there's just little tigers and oh my gosh, there's so many. It's so cute. Is that the cutest little thing you've ever seen? Look at that little horse with the bow surrounded by flowers. It's so cute. I could buy a whole bunch of these. Like I said, there was a whole bunch of them. I mean, bears and little tigers and lions and all kinds of stuff, you guys. So cute. I mean, it's only a 25 by 20. No, it's 25 by 25. This one's square. The other one was a rectangle. This one's square. So cute. It's going to have a lot of white background. Okay, this is all going to be white background, but then pink. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, yeah, they don't get to do that one. I might give them the other one and let them do that one. I want to do this one. Just because of the cuteness factor. I like them both. I mean, clearly, I like them both. But, yeah, love this one. Just love it. Oh, my goodness. I am so happy these are here. I thought for sure, you know, after you're in Chicago for a month, you're going to get lost. It's just, how is that going to make it here? But it did. This made my day. These are too cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Just, oh my gosh. Just look at that. Here's our inventory sheet. It is the cutest little horse. Just adorable. You guys got to check these out. There are such cute little images. Oh my gosh, they were so cute. Again, same type of deal over here. Your symbols, your number, how many you should have, how many bags, checked off, verified. 1 bag of 310. Well, eyes, of course. I found some images that don't have 310s really. 25 colors in this one. That's a lot of colors for a little 25 by 25, right? And look at this. Again, it's got the same purple writing, blue writing. What color am I talking about? I don't know. I saw pink and I got all flustered. It's got the same blue numbering on the bags, but look at the pinks. 5200, like I said, that's going to be our background. White background. Look at the pinks. And more pinks. Dark pink. 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 Is this 154? No, it's not. It's a brown. Okay. Browns. Because the horse has brown. Of course. We got to have some brown. More pinks. Look at them. 152 pink. Look at that one. That's like a rosy kind of pink. Here's our black. Look. Just a little tiny bit of black because we have to do some eyeballs. And some more browns. And this is like a plum color. Okay. Call that the Pinky Brown family. Pinky Brown. Is that a name of somebody? Was that a character in a show? Pinky Brown. This is like a green. Sage green. A couple more pinks. Look at them. Browns. Another sage. And then, like I said, all this white. White's the background. 5200, right? What do you think? I love them. I could buy a whole bunch of these little guys and just make a whole, like, you know, I don't know, a whole, what's the word I'm looking for? Display. Little display of all the cute little animals. There might be giraffe. I mean, there was all kinds of stuff. How cute, though. I am so happy this is here. Well, now I know which one I didn't get. So now I need to call the post office and say, hey, can you tell me where this package went with this tracking number? Because it's not in my mailbox. So anyhow, you guys, I'm gonna say goodbye for now. I'm just too excited with this. I'm gonna inventory these and put this away, clean it up, and get to the other things and call the post office. So hit the like button, subscribe. Check out this store, whatever it is. Seriously, this is bad. Whatever this store is, because I don't know. I just know it's on AliExpress. Yeah, check them out. And check out the cute little animal images. And, you know, smalls are good. If you get the right small, they're good. You just have to be careful what you get when you get a really small one. And I think these will turn out just fine. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned because there's more stuff coming. Hopefully it's on its way, okay? I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.